na Japan no. Ono afugo kwa no Bobby designer. Yo, Ojemba wayo. Are you a designer for Toyota company? Emoromo company na Japan. Osino bunge na Japan.
Hey, NK the chief.
Jude. Ha, Jude, how far?
I'm fine. Long time no see. The dream of every man.
Jude, leave my hand now.
Leave this hand. I mean, the hand is so punchous and so lovely.
Leave my hand.
If you don't mind, I would love to hold it forever.
Leave my hand, Biko.
Okay, no problem. You know, I'm a very busy man. You told me we'll meet at Dennis the restaurant. How come you change the venue to this center?
Don't mind me, Joe. You know, say I like outdoor, you know. I like come out, stay outside, see everybody. See, you know, people there here, they enjoy. So me, I say, make I come join them too. They enjoy now. I come bring my running kit. So after this our deal, I go run now. So I go to keep fit, you know.
This one you called me to meet you at this place without telling me anything. So what's up? What's going on?
I get deal, you know, be everything you go to talk on phone. So that's why I say make I bring you come here. So the thing be say I get deal for 3 of us, you know.
3 of us? Who is the third person?
Well, me, you, and Ojemba.
Ojemba? Hey, that troublemaker. This is a hard man.
Ojemba no be hard man. Hard man that Chief Udemba. Chief Udemba be the hardest and the most wicked man way there for this town. You know, I want deal with him. I want deal with Chief Udemba well.
Chief Udemba? That name sounds familiar. Chief Udemba. So, what is my business with what's going on?
Well, the thing be say, we go put money into your account, you know. So, Ojemba go make Chief Udemba pay money into your account. Then 3 of us go share them.
Okay, that is, you need my account number.
Yes, now.
Open kupu, that one is small thing.
Okay.
That one thing remains. I know Ojemba. I know him. So I will love us to meet together, 3 of us, to discuss on how much, how we are going to share the money. Because I don't want to Ojemba's trouble.
No. That one no be problem at all. No be problem. So I go call Ojemba tomorrow. We go arrange. I go arrange date and time so that all of us go sit down together and talk this deal. This is very sweet deal now. You know now.
Talk to him. So I'm always ready.
That be the deal. Come, Juju.
Man, I thought maybe visitors told you something about me. That's why I want to confirm.
I beg.
Business, I love it.
Me and this know they have that kind of thing,
Take it easy.
Okay, make I go run. Go run for this fine weather.
Take it easy. Don't cause accident.
I don't go cause anything. Juju, see you later. I'll call you tomorrow.
Okay, I'm waiting for your call.
Alright, bye.
Hey, Judy, good to see you. So how are you now? The most high, fine. Enke? Welcome. I hope you will tell Jude why we are here.
Not everything, but I tell him say we want use him bank account do the deal. Now it be the only thing I tell him now.
The deal is about, I want Mr. Udemba. This man I'm calling Mr. Udemba, he duped me some money. And also, he cheated on Enke. So it's a payback time. You understand? We want to use your account. Just give us your account. We will use your account to get the money. And then we will deposit the money to your account and you give it to us. We split it. No problem. So how much are we expecting? 50,000. Okay, $50,000.
$50,000?
Yeah, we'll get $50,000 from you.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
But Ojemba, can't we collect more money from Chief Udemba? We need to collect much more money than that.
I wanted to make it 100K, but there is a reason for that. Make with the cut and small because he will still enter trap.
Okay.
So what will happen is this. When the money comes into your account, I will take 40%. You know, I'm not a greedy man. I'll take 40%. You and NK will share 60%. 30-30 equal. Okay? 30-30 equal. And one more thing, the day you will give me my 40% is the day you will give me NK's 30%. So I will give it to her.
I will text the account straight away to you.
All right. So my car back over there. I think I will drop you guys now. Is it?
It's okay. I drove actually. So
Your car is there?
yeah, my car is over there.
All right. Man, let me drop you. Always like that. Come on. Let's take this.
Bye bye.
All right, back.
Hello, Bisi, how are you?
Uncle, I don't catch you today. Now number 48, you can't hide your things for here, right? If I ask you for phone, you go tell me say you no get iPhone 7, iPhone 6, iPhone 5, even computer, iPad, even woman bag where your friends tell
it's
me.
okay. Bisi, it's always your problem. I didn't bring you here for inspection. You want everything.
I don't.
That's the problem with you. So, no problem. How are you now?
I'm fine, no, and you?
Fine.
You don't forget me now, you don't forget me.
No. How can I forget my only sister? If I forget my only sister, like what else am I doing in this city?
I wonder.
How is family? How you hear from them?
They are there, they are all fine, but they are only complaining about the economy. They said no money, everything is expensive. They are just every day they are la.
It's their general slangs. That is a problem. That's their general slangs. Well, I go when you na hebu. Recently, did you send anything to them?
For where I go get them? Me, I don't get money. You know, I never receive salary. And even if I receive salary now, I dey owe my friend money. I buy good for my friend. I never pay. I dey owe them.
I will pay some money into your account.
Uncle, really? Oh, that is why I like you, darling.
Let me think. Oh, somebody's calling me. Let me see. Hello, Chief Obinna. Odogwu. How far? No, it's not girlfriend. I'm just discussing with my sister, Bisi. Yeah, it's here with me. She's fine. Really? They paid the money? That's great. Chief, I trust you. That's good, dear man. Thank you very much. That's good. In that case, that means I have to see you tonight so that we have everything set, you know? Yeah. Cool, man. Take care. Thank you. Arigato. Gambate. Hi, domo. Bye. So Bisi, you see, I've got emergency. I wanted to take you to lunch, but because of this emergency call, I'm not take you. What I have here is 9,000 yen. Keep this 5 for your lunch.
Uncle, thank you so much. Thank you.
Then, and let me drop you
Uncle,
at the station along the way.
You know that Mama Jola now, that our neighbor. The woman don't die.
That one? I learned some time ago she was in the hospital for BP or something like that.
Now so then tell me yes,
She
you said
died?
the woman don't die. Maybe now the younger way in Nigeria. I
pity those kids. Hi. And you know that woman has been working very hard. Let me drop you at the station so you can go.
Ego amaka. Money money.
Woo! This one the gold, you know.
Gold.
Yeah. This one what do they call it? Rich black.
Drink that one and make your drink. I want to become yellow man.
You don't want to be black.
Yellow man.
No matter what you do, you be black man. Okay.
Peter Touch is talking now.
This one is saying
so you say you bring the other things, banana.
I do.
Where is the banana? Because
I bring you banana. Banana.
Hey, banana.
See another one.
You really do shopping for me, oh. What happened? Be say make you put them. What about the food now? I'm hungry. I said they pour this the beer where you buy for me now. Make I carry food fresh.
All right. See rice here. Rice there. And stew. Thank you. Sweet. say you be farmer. It's funny.
How can you know? You know what I know?
Even BC no say we use and do one sweet deal. She still don't know.
No, Udemba will pay very soon, don't worry.
I didn't wait, I didn't wait.
I ain't know pay.
I want to hold my money for my hand.
No, probably for me now.
Okay.
You know, say Japan, a woman that's a man.
Now so you be, now so you be. Wow.
What do you talk? I can't judge any, put on man.
Eat right, eat.
Now this food sweet, yo. This food is sweet.
Thank you.
What is keeping my baby? Is it how the shopping is gonna take a long time? Oh, I'm so lonely here. Everybody's gone. What is wrong? I should call him. If he's not coming in 30 minutes, I'm gonna leave because I'm so tired. What? Oh my goodness. Look at the water. Just poured everywhere. I can't even stand. My shoes are dirty. What is keeping him? Oh my God. Yeah, hello baby. Yeah, what is keeping you? I've been waiting for you all day. Come on, is that how the shopping takes long time? Hurry up, I'm so tired. You know I came from work. I need to go home and rest. Alright, I'm waiting. Bye-bye. I'm not happy. You kept me waiting for long.
How many bags is this?
It doesn't matter. Look, all the fishermen, they are gone. And I was so lonely.
You mean that? Oh, they don't give you any fish?
Why would they give me fish? Oh.
I really messed up.
Anyway, I'm happy you are here. I'm happy you are here.
Stand up,
wait. You know I've been sitting for long.
Sorry.
I'm a lady.
I know.
It's okay. Oh my God. This
thing is for you, you know?
This is a lot of shopping you did.
Just for you.
Wow. Thank you.
I read everything. Take a look.
Wow.
You know, last time when we were watching Channel TV, that animal TV, you said, I like this Puma.
Yes,
then I went to Puma shop and did shopping for you.
Wow.
Take a look. It's Puma. Where would you start? From your
I don't even know where to start.
This is yours.
This is real.
Everything. Look at this flower Puma shoe.
Wow.
Real
Lovely. Baby, this is quite a lot. Oh, look at this one. I almost ordered it from the internet. I saw it exactly like this.
Yeah.
How come you knew?
I know. Look at this one. Hard one. I want you to enjoy Ojemba's money.
I am just... You even bought it?
Yeah.
You know it was a new glass, eh?
Look at the new glass. Yeah, because I can't go home and get glass. So I just went in and bought this one.
You have tissue, let me clean.
Yeah, I bought tissue box.
It's clean, but just, you know.
Clean it. You're a housewife, man. You know. Chopping for today from my bonus of one single design in Toyota company. For my sweet money. Money. This one in the city like that. Money. Hey, cheers. You know what? I designed emergency call. They just said, Jamba, we need you in the designing room. I went there. They said, how do we do this thing to do different from BM, Mercedes, and this, that? I said, come on. I pressed 2 buttons. Boom! The thing gives them what they want. You understand? Immediately that. They say, Ojemba, instant bonus.
Wow.
When he takes me to Yaoundé, like I always say, do you know why I like Yaoundé? You asked me before, have you been there?
Because you always talk of Yaoundé.
Because you get one musician where you use Yaoundé sing. Eh? The music go like this. Yaounde. Egu Yaounde maybe na mo bio Yaounde. Egu njire jo ka kanji agomo Yaounde.
Oh, this is in Nigerian guy. This is simple language.
Yaounde. You dey take Yaounde mixer.
Wow. He lived in Yaounde before that guy.
Maybe I think he lived there because he speak French. He can't use that Yaounde capital. Come, he just like saying Tokyo, love in Tokyo, don't kill me. Because we can't sing the thing. Very nice. Yaounde.
Oh yeah?
Egu Yaounde, maybe you can be Yaounde.
Money, 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 palava. Money, 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 palava. Money don't man to lie. He come the lie like lie no see. Ojemba softly yo. Money, 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 palava. Naira owo, ego kudi. Money don't man to lie. He come the do like lie no see. Ojemba softly yo. Money yabu mano. Manu they do money poppy. Yo. Money yabu manu they do money poppy. Yo. Whether not you wanna lie you, I am a millionaire, engineer for Toyota company. Yeah. Ojemba, how far? How it be? My beginning, how far? How market you? I hope say you there.
I get this red potato from my boss. Every time I come to this farm, I enjoy. And I got this one, white potato. Then, can you imagine? Fresh. Don't fall down. You know, so I work hard today. I work very hard today. This is beans. You see, I'm gonna eat beans to have my protein and do my workouts. Hey, what is my white potato before I forget? Mary, pick up your phone now. Hello? What is holding you now? You say you're coming here. Farm 3. I'm in Farm 3 now. What is holding you? Oh, traffic? You bought something for me? Oh, what I do to like? Are you sure you know what I like? What is it? Bam, Ijia, Aka wine, red wine. Enke, you can't stop killing me. You don't mean it. I have red tomato from potato from my boss, red potato, and then you're getting me red wine. And what then? Let me see if you know what I like. Pizza with bread. In fact, the pizza, bread is what I like most. Yes. About the money, no problem. When you come, we talk. How many minutes? Well, okay, I'm done, but I'll wait for you. Quick, yo. I'm very, very hungry. In fact, I can't wait to see you. Nah. Enke, God will bless you.
Good afternoon.
Hey, Enke, how are you?
I did.
You look so kinky. Always looking so kinky and so ponjous. Yeah. It's so nice to meet you again after the last time I met you with Mr. Ojemba. I put a smile. You mean you want me to tell you that chief has paid? Even paid extra. SS.
Jude, make I tell you, up till now, Ojemba never give me no penny, no shishi, no kobo from that money. He just tell me stories. He say in wife give birth to 2 children. And they do me come today, come tomorrow. I don't tire for this thing.
Ojemba in his streak again. That's if you remember the first time you told me about this deal. I told you remember what I told you? Ojemba is a hard man.
So
he's a very cunning man. I don't really want to do business, but he's a hard man. You thought maybe I was talking about physical fight? No. You've seen it yourself.
Hard will not be small. Why? But Jude, what do you mean by the man paid extra? Our deal na $50,000. No be so?
The man is real complete money misroad.
Money Miss Road, Mbao. Now Ojemba be the Money Miss
Now the
Road.
chief pay 500,000. Money Miss Road, original one.
$500,000.
And I told Ojemba, there must be mistake somewhere. Ojemba said there's no mistake.
Okay, that means say Ojemba go give me my own cut too now.
But he mentioned something. He mentioned one Monica or whatever. He said that he's the owner of the excess payment.
I know Monica. Monica be Ojemba's girlfriend now.
No wonder. Trust me, I say no. Whether Monica, I must take my course from that.
Now, so even Monica don't enter this deal too. Yeah. The story don't they get 3 leg, 4 leg. Hey.
And you know what?
What?
Hey, he added $30,000 to my share.
Hey, Chineke. Anyway, I hope Ojemba will add my own cut.
You have not received your original share. You are talking of addition. Get the original share first before you talk about the addition. You don't know that guy, you.
Okay.
You don't know Ojemba.
I don't hear until I see him, until I meet Ojemba.
Meet him, better meet him.
Dude, I go see you now. We'll go see.
Please, right?
Money ya bu manu they do money poppy. Yo. When the good your body.
Hello? Man, I did for Park B now. You know my park. What happened? Why are you calling me?
Where did shot Ojemba?
Nah. Hey, boy. Nah. This one where your face look like this. Off the phone. Cut off that phone.
I know they happy at all.
What happened now? Come on, baby. Nah, you supposed hi is Latifa now. I know see they enjoy the Lati.
Which can you hear Latifa? I bet make carry Latifa go.
See me talk, bro.
That girl where if you ask her my name, you no go talk. Where they live, you no go talk. How old he be, you no go talk. I bet make you just carry go. I know one.
You mean say you no want that? Andy?
Where that boom?
Andy?
What that?
How? Ukumenti, no going to see the fan view I give you. And you know see the picture before you ask.
I beg you. What na money changwa? What na ukusarambara? I no want.
One question. When I give you that girl, is it the girl you saw in the picture with Uku Mwerente and Dara Jurobi? Is she the one I gave to you or another person?
Picture and the person. Not the same thing.
No. Yes or no?
Make I do something. Here no be lock. We no dey for lockout too. Give my money. I say we no dey for lockout.
Okay. I agree. This is a love story. I know I ask you a question. Let me tell you something. Just listen to me. You told me that you like that girl.
Give my money back.
Why?
Only.
Just tell me the reason.
I don't want that by force.
If you don't have any reason, then you want them back.
I don't like her.
Why?
So you just carry that woman when they talk. Carry give me. Come do me while you. Come collect my money from my hand. You and you just collect my money. You just do me for one night. Collect my money. This now go laugh now.
No. Wait. He said the girl knows the talk.
You ask her name.
When you know the talk, this one know the move. This one. Now if we go for cat, not tell me say they want me that up and wow. What you say you like?
Ojemba. Beg. Now serious matter. Carry me come here.
Serious matter.
I want my money back.
Guy, I'm making
I don't want that girl. I want back my money.
Money?
Of course not.
Who you pay?
So now you make Jude to cover my money from hand.
How much?
$500,000 now.
Chineke, $500,000.
You don't know.
How do I know? Is it not 50,000 we discussed?
No, you and Jude play me.
$50,000. That was our agreement.
I don't make mistake with that.
Why would you pay 500,000 instead of 50,000? Tomorrow when they tell me when I go school, make when I go Money Miss Road. I don't know how you know no difference between 500,000 and 50,000. Now I don't give you what you see for future. No be where I give you.
I beg
for money. I know one talk of.
Ojemba. I know they for long.
See. Udemba.
I know they for long talk.
Udemba, no, just remember me what you do.
My money,
let me tell you. Don't remind me what you do me for Lovette. I know besides the revenge you, but you remember what you doing for Lovette you?
I don't remember. Tell me.
Yeah, you don't remember?
Yes.
All that $20,000 where I that and why there?
Okay. Okay. Let me make you come.
No, because I just say make you know. Just remember me that thing by telling me this. See, when you do that, I know even see enough as I enter road. Now she ran away. I don't even touch it. This one be say you touch the body. If that body where you touch, you see face, you look and not. Make they go somewhere. Stay there now. Carry. I mean, I don't go.
Ojeba, give my money back. Ojeba, give my money. Which money? Ojeba, give my. I'll sell this motor. Give me your money.
To be a farmer is not a bad thing. To be a farmer is not a taboo. To be a farmer is not a crime. To be a farmer is not a taboo. To be a farmer is not a bad thing. To be a farmer is not a taboo. It's not a crime.
Hey, okay.
Good evening.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
You know, sir, I just did farm now. I was doing farming here.
Yeah.
Hi.
I hear say Chief Udemba don't pay the money.
Chief Udemba?
Yeah.
You pay the money now, I collect your money.
Yes, so I called Jude. So Jude talk say you don't collect my own share. Why you not tell me now?
Nah, busy now. You know, say this one, why would they run up and down, they do all this thing. That's what it be now. I did too much busy. Make you know worry, our money they save.
Yeah. But that's the reason why I come down. I say, make I won't collect them now.
Nah.
Yes.
It can't be possible. See, let me tell you, Uncle. The truth to be still my wife born Peking. My wife born Peking. Now I can't spend the money for all these hospital things now.
Hey, but Ojemba, you no get wife. Talk less of giving birth. You are lying.
Okay. Me lying? See, me I tell you that time why they go do all those apple farm work for winter. So now one of them can't go deliver Peking now. So I carry the money spend for hospital things. Not everything man go tell the secrets to his friend.
See, Ojemba, since I don't know anything about this, your two wives and in the apple farm, please, when am I going to get my own money? Because I don't know anything about this, your wife and children thing. I don't know. You know,
Enke, I understand. I beg, make you please try to understand me, yeah? Try to understand me. I don't get the money now. I will pay you later. Later I will pay you, I beg. I don't get the money now. This woman, wife, children, something, hospital bills. I beg, later.
Hey, so you don't enter credit. Yeah, you're gonna go Ijuwo. The money you collected cash from Jude.
Sorry. So it the bill now. So in fact, you know what? Just give me some time. I beg, give me some time. I will pay. Yeah, I beg. I beg. May I just finish this work? You know, say today's work. No only me they do, and my boss no come. I don't from inner farm there. Waka reach this one. We know say this cocoyam very soon we will come out. You don't. In fact, we don't come out from backside. So this one now I can check. All of them don't do okay.
Okay.
Hey.
Make I dey go.
No verse, yeah.
I beg, make I dey go.
No verse. I will call you as soon as I raise the money.
Okay.
Thank you.
Masi Toyota. Engineer na Japan no. Ono afugo kwa no Bobby designer. Iyo Ojemba wayo. Are you a designer for Toyota company? Enwere company na Japan. Osino bunge na Japan. Anamalu na Toyota company. Are you an engineer for Toyota company? Enwere company na Japan. Anekwe kwa nememe ife go neme. Anamalu na Toyota company. Mojemba. Mojemba gini feneme. Mojemba gini feneme. Mojemba.
Nah, I don't the work since you know see cocoyam why I just they uproot. Now you the kind of so I just uproot every. See there now me do all the job. Don't want carry you come now. If they pass, say make you say hello.
No, I know they pass anywhere. I know one wait again, so I come say make I come collect my own money.
Which kind of wait you come collect? What? Wait, you won't come collect money I owe you?
Now.
What is today's date and what is the day of the week and the week of the month?
Hey, today na Friday now, and today be second week of the month.
So, second week of the month, I tell you to come in a month time. Why you come today?
Ojemba, I want to tell you, say, this thing no funny again. You know funny again at all. I know funny again.
So, I go kill myself. Wait, you know funny again? See, come back in 1 month time from today. I'll give you the money.
No, I go come back in 2 weeks time. Pray say you get my money, hold
Why
my money.
2 weeks?
Because 2 weeks don't pass, another 2 weeks go come.
It's okay, just
1 month.
Okay, go and come back. I'll give you the money in 1 month time. Wow, every day, money. This thing is don't too much.
Take a look and tell me what you see. You can see that I am from Japan. And I'm alone at Toyota company. Imana mona ndio Japan amaziakanu. If I'm not around the mrano mwere ibanako. Ubani nine, abo muna luo.
Look at this song. I come here for this time heavy song where they shine. Huh? You're supposed to be in your office now. You're supposed to be in your office.
I no go work now. I no go work because I know they happy. So I no go work.
Now work I do. You know see heavy song where they do here. They clean all these places from there. You see from that side. Inside I don't since 2 months now they clean this place. The big. I don't know who live here now, governor and emperor, but I know that this Ojemba get the contract, Ojemba come to clean here. Enke, if you see how this place is here, you no ever believe. Too big.
I go shout for this farmland though. I go shout. Since 6 months, you just they promise, they fail. I need my money.
Now because of the money you come here, no worry, I'll give that money next week. Next month I'll give you the money next month.
Hey, see, make I tell you, if you no give me my own share of the money, Chief Udemba go hear about this, so even BC go hear about it.
And you never reach to that level now. You never reach to for you to how you go call Udemba for me for this matter? You know say that if my personal person now, if my own person, you never reach to that level now.
Okay now, I go begin go next month. If you no give me my own money, I go bring BC come this farm.
No carry BC come to my farm. You remember saying at Toyota company farm, no try more.
Go.
Okay, now we go see. Make I do my work.
I go.
Okay, take care of yourself, bro.
Ego, money, oh, money is fine. Ego, money, oh, money come, money is fine. Imashi ego ne meru madu